This is my absolute favorite dessert. This is the apple crumble. For the ingredients, you will need apples, brown sugar, margarine or butter, oats, all-purpose flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and lemon juice. Start off by chopping the apples. If you don't like the skin, you can peel them off. In a pan, add in your apples, some brown sugar, cinnamon, and lemon juice. Let this cook for about 10 minutes until slightly soft. Next, mix together all-purpose flour, margarine, oats, cinnamon, sugar, and vanilla essence. Mix until it has a crumble-like consistency and you can't feel the margarine anymore. Once your apples are soft and slightly cooked, add them to your baking pan and top it off with the crumble mix. Bake in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until golden brown at the top. And there you have it. Enjoy it warm with a generous scoop of ice cream.
It's time to try. I'm seeing just how the ice cream has melted so nicely. So I'm sure you scooped everything. Apple, crumble. It's so nice. This I can make every single day. What are calories?